Instagram photos at? This is where they smoke the weed.
Kids. Oh, shit. How do I get up? I'm gonna fall. How do I climb? Whoa. Oh.
Goddamn, girl.
Sorry.
Wait.
What is that? What am I doing?
Nothing. You're doing nothing. Just explore.
I'm trying. How do I get up?
You gotta fucking push it. Push it, girl.
I am. Whoa.
There you go.
Whoa.
Yeah. Keep going. Keep going. You're
I'm
fine.
trying to use it away.
Well,
Ready?
don't let it get in your way.
Oh my god.
Remember, it's like real life. So just like look at the edge, watch your arms. Get, if you need to get closer, get close. There you go. You grab the ledge. Literally grab the ledge. You can also grab with your hands like this. There you go. Yeah, you actually have to like full range of body motion. Full range.
I feel like I'm gonna hit you again.
It's actually as high as you think it is. No, you're fine. I'm.
Why are you?
Because it's funny. All right, now press your metacourse button.
Oh.
All right, I'm back. Hi.
Okay.
Look at me. Okay, now go to the app menu right there.
This one, AIM, or the library?
You could do that one if you want. You could do the AIM one. Okay, scroll to that one right there. AIM XR. Pay attention to the controls because this one's good.
Oh man, this is guns.
Yeah, it's
I don't like guns.
Don't worry, it's not as bad as you think it is.
It's so loud.
Okay, grab your gun with the trigger. Okay, then you put the pistol that works too.
How do I?
Move with the joystick. This one right here.
Wait, I gotta drop my gun.
No, you're fine. It stays to your hip.
Oh.
Did you start shooting?
Maybe.
Okay, so now you move with the joystick. There you go. Yeah, I don't like the vignetting, but okay, now you gotta grab it with your other hand. Yep. Press the trigger. There you had it. Press the trigger.
Oh.
There you go. Now you can line up your sights. Line up your sights.
What is that? Oh.
Line up your sights.
Oh, okay, like an actual
Like a
gun.
real gun. Yes. I thought you shot a gun before.
Yes.
That's your teammate.
Oh, sorry. Why do I keep bumping into people?
Because
Is he my teammate?
Nope, that's your enemy. You killed him! Good job! Kill that other guy.
I can't.
Kill him. You killed him too!
I like this one. Oh.
There you go.
I feel like I'm gonna fall, man.
No, you're not. You're literally standing. You're literally so good right now.
Oh, I died. Oh. Ooh. My gosh, what the heck? How did you move all that?
Yeah, we're gonna big old airplane. With the NASA on the wing. Yeah. Resolution.
Wrong question.
All right.
They just spend all their time playing Minecraft.
They be playing Minecraft in
Call
here,
of
man.
Duty.
Call of Duty. They got the best internet because they literally live on a satellite. They have negative ping.
Oh my gosh, there's a toilet.
Huh? Yeah,
Imagine.
that's where they be shitting.
Look at this basic move.
Ben.
How close can I get? That's me. They're dancing. They're dancing. That's like
Almost fell.
NASA lights. NASA trees. What? What are you making fun of me for? Huh? You making fun of me? Making fun of me. Wow, NASA.
That's okay.
It is okay. Bunch of spaceships. Look at that.
Wow.
Happy?
Yes, very.
I did not know that was SpaceX. Holy crap. Wait, is this the one that landed by itself? Oh my god, it was. Okay. Oh god. Here we go. Go slow, please. Please go slow.
Ooh. Wait, is this your right ear? Yes, it is. Okay.
Please go slow. Oh, look at that. That's gross. That is so nasty. Oh, that is cool, though. That is cool. I don't think it matters. Oh, look at that. I haven't washed my ears in a long time, so I probably have super ears, super waxy ears. I make super wax, like super waxy ears. Girl, if you don't get in there, get all this shit out.
Do it slowly. I don't want to go in too deep too fast.
I know. I didn't say go fast. I said just get in there. Ooh, get back there. Get way back there and scoop all that out. Keep going. I'll tell you when it hurts. Get out of the way, Ash. There you go. No, I could hear it.
You could hear it?
I could hear it. I was gonna tell you I have a cleaner, I have a liquid cleaner. Oh, hold on. Let me do something real quick. Yeah.
Oh, this one's a big one.
Oh! Don't drop it on me. Don't drop it on me.
Look at this one.
Oh my god, that thing is huge.
That's just from one
That's
ear.
gross.
We still have a little bit right here that we get the rest of. Ooh.
Oh, dude.
That fell out.
Dude, that is gross. I'm just
so
gonna
glad
take it out. I'm just gonna take a photo every once in a while. Did you sanitize this thing before you put it in my ear?
Yes, I did. I did. I cleaned it yesterday and I cleaned it right now earlier.
Oh, what is that back there? Have you done your ears?
Yeah, I already did it.
Oh. There you go. Ooh, that feels nice. That feels good. Oh, I'm scared for the other ear now. Holy crap.
I'm so excited.
Did you get more wipes? Because you're going to need more wipes than that.
No, I didn't think you were going to have that much, to be honest.
I wonder if you can.
See in your ear like this. Oh, imagine going to the doctor's and they check your ear.
Come on. There you go. Slowly. Holy shit. Now that's a deep clean right there. It's got like a carver. Ash, you are in the way, girl.
Oh.
Keep going.
Yeah,
that's
it's
my
pretty clean.
that's
Yeah,
my
it's pretty
eardrum.
clean.
Okay, cool.
Okay.
All right, next ear.
This one doesn't look as dirty.
I'm going to hear the whispers of God now.
Oh, you see all that?
Yeah, what is all that? Wax, probably?
Yeah, because I'm not too deep in it, right?
Yeah. And you can clearly see my eardrum, which is good. Which is a good stopping point. Big old chunk. Big old chunk. Should I got a different wipe so I can see the difference between the left and right ear?
This is all this side.
Uh-huh.
Is the right ear.
Can't see anything. Wait, you can't see anything. Don't go in there unless you can see shit. Dude, that shit is gross. I wonder what it looks like up my nose. That's insane. Is it worth the buy? Worth the buy?
Yeah, I think it is, honestly.
My vlog is gonna be us going to the NASA lights. Then it's gonna be
switch to me cleaning out your ear.
No, yeah.
Okay. Oh, it's lagging.
Here, I got it. I can get it. Let me see. Let me do it. It's my ear. I should be able to navigate it.
Oh yeah, right there. Get that junk. Get that. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Yeah. Scoop it out. Get that piece out. Yeah. Other side. You want me to invert it?
Yes.
Be careful. Yeah, scoop that. Scoop it. Get it out. Get it out.
Stop. Because you're making me laugh.
Okay, sorry. Ooh, let me get it, because you're going to grab it.
Oh, look at that. Holy moly, dude. That's wicked. That's crazy. There's one more in there. I saw it.
Get a Q-tip and
What
just
is-
clean around it
What
because
is
it's
that?
kind of
It's
dirty.
that guy. You gotta kind of push the meat around in there. Okay, where's my eardrum at? I don't want to lose my eardrum. Is that my eardrum?
Mm-mm.
Okay. You see that right there? You see it? You see it way in the back? Don't worry about that. That's little stuff. All right, adjust your camera. Adjust your camera. Oh my God, you're scaring the shit out of me right now. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. Ooh. Ooh.
Does it hurt?
Yes. I'm not saying ooh for no reason. Let me get that one because I don't trust you for that one.
Okay.
You're kind of hurting me here. I don't want to hurt myself. If I hurt myself, I hurt myself.
Oh, you got it.
Oh,
There you
baby. Oh,
Oh,
I lost it.
hold on.
Woo!
It looks so much bigger on the camera.
I know.
It's so tiny right here.
I know. It's so tiny. That's why I take a photo. That's it. My ears are clean now forever. Now we gotta go get an earwax thing and just
Yeah, you
clean
need to
out the
clean it right
surface.
here.
Yeah. That's crazy, dude. That's insane. Alright, that was the earwax segment of my vlog. There. If you were grossed out, I apologize, but that shit is fucking cool.
You should put like a warning.
Check the other side one more time just to make sure. Oh, nice and clean. Look
Yeah,
at
that one's clean. Oh, that little tiny one. Got it.
Alright, whatever. Alright.
Alright, hey man.
Which I don't remember.
It was the Roman candle, but it was a dud, and it popped from the middle. Instead of shooting out, it popped from the middle of the game.
Oh, that would have been cool.
I told you.
empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water. Now you put water into a cup. It becomes the cup. You put water into a bottle, it becomes the bottle. You put it in a teapot, it becomes the teapot. Now water can flow or it can crash. Be water, my friend.